How to see archived Amazon orders on app. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can see archived Amazon orders. Now, if you open the Amazon app on your device and then check for the archived orders, you're not going to find it over here. So even though you tap on the profile icon and then tap on the orders section over here, you're not going to find the option of archived orders. That is because this feature is not available in the app itself. So what you want to do instead is launch open any web browser and head over to amazon.com. Make sure to sign into your account. Now tap on the profile icon over here, then tap on see all next to your orders section. Now all of your orders will be visible over here. What you want to do next is tap on these three dots. Then you want to tap on the desktop site option. Now, once you get here, tap on this drop down menu over here, and at the bottom you will find the archived orders option. So go ahead and tap on this. Remember that until you turn on the desktop site, you're not going to find this option. So make sure that you turn on the desktop site option over here. And once you do that, you will be able to find the archived orders section and check it out using your mobile. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.